The projector market is filled with options that promise impressive performance, but only a select few truly deliver professional-grade results. The BenQ LK970 is one of those rare projectors designed to exceed expectations in demanding environments where image quality, brightness, and reliability are essential. Built around advanced laser projection technology, the LK970 offers an outstanding combination of 4K UHD resolution and 5,000 lumens of brightness. This powerful combination allows it to create stunning visuals that remain sharp, vibrant, and impactful even on large projection screens. One of the first things users will notice is the incredible level of detail. Thanks to its 4K resolution, images appear exceptionally crisp, allowing presentations, videos, graphics, and visual content to look remarkably clear. Fine details that may be lost on lower resolution projectors remain visible, making the viewing experience more immersive and professional. Brightness plays a crucial role in projector performance, especially in larger venues. The BenQ LK970 delivers an impressive 5,000 lumens, providing enough power to maintain excellent visibility even in rooms where ambient lighting is present. Whether used in conference centers, educational facilities, exhibition spaces, or corporate environments, the projector ensures that content remains bright and easy to view. Another major advantage is its laser-powered light source. Unlike conventional lamp-based projectors that require periodic lamp replacements, laser technology offers long-lasting operation with minimal maintenance requirements. This results in reduced operating costs and greater reliability over the life of the projector. Color performance is another area where the LK970 stands out. The projector produces rich, accurate colors and excellent contrast levels, helping visual content appear realistic and engaging. Whether displaying high-resolution images, business presentations, marketing content, or cinematic video, the results consistently look polished and professional. Installation flexibility is equally important for professional deployments, and BenQ has equipped the LK970 with advanced adjustment tools to simplify the setup process. Lens shift functionality allows installers to position images precisely without physically moving the projector. Keystone correction and corner adjustment features further enhance installation versatility, making it easier to achieve perfect image alignment in complex environments. Connectivity options support a variety of professional applications, ensuring compatibility with modern devices, media players, computers, and integrated AV systems. This flexibility allows the projector to fit seamlessly into existing infrastructures while supporting future upgrades. For organizations that require dependable operation, reliability is one of the projector's strongest attributes. The laser engine is engineered for extended use, delivering consistent image quality throughout thousands of operating hours. This makes the LK970 an excellent solution for businesses and institutions that depend on uninterrupted performance. Real-world image quality is where the projector truly shines. Native 4K content appears incredibly detailed, while text remains crisp and easy to read. Motion handling is smooth, helping video content maintain a natural appearance. The combination of brightness, color accuracy, and resolution creates a viewing experience that feels premium from every angle. Large screen performance is another notable strength. Many projectors begin to lose impact as screen sizes increase, but the LK970 maintains impressive brightness and image clarity across expansive display surfaces. This makes it particularly effective for auditoriums, event venues, museums, and large-scale presentation spaces. Fast startup and shutdown capabilities add convenience to daily operation. Users can begin presentations quickly and shut down efficiently, saving valuable time in professional environments. What makes the BenQ LK970 especially appealing is its focus on delivering professional-level performance rather than consumer-oriented compromises. Every feature is designed with demanding users in mind, from its laser light source and installation flexibility to its brightness output and image quality. Businesses, educational institutions, houses of worship, museums, simulation centers, and event organizers can all benefit from the projector's advanced capabilities. It is built to handle challenging environments while maintaining exceptional visual performance and reliability. Overall, the BenQ LK970 represents a premium projection solution that combines cutting-edge laser technology, true 4K image quality, powerful brightness, and professional installation features. For anyone seeking a projector capable of producing stunning visuals on a large scale while offering dependable long-term operation, the LK970 is a compelling choice. If you're considering upgrading your projection system, the BenQ LK970 deserves serious attention. For additional information, pricing details, and availability, be sure to check the product link provided in the description.